Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another daily update. My name is Philakone, and I'm going to be providing you with the best possible update in about a 10-minute period. So, from the perspective of technical analysis and seeing how the trends are, both short term and long term, that's going to be my responsibility to share with you tonight. Welcome to my channel. For those that are new to my channel, my name is Philakone. I've been in the crypto space now for 9 years. This will be my third upcoming bull market. I've had the pleasure of experiencing two major bear markets and two major bull markets. 2017, learned a lot from it so I can kill it in 2021. And in 2021, I gained so much experience that I'm ready for this next upcoming bull market from the perspective of both one, day trading, and also two, with a portfolio large enough to hit significant numbers that will change anybody's life even further. So come join me for this journey while I provide you with the best possible technical analysis in a 10-minute period. So the way that Bitcoin's looking right now is very bearish. $58,000 is a significant level that needs to hold. And if it doesn't hold, we're going to see some massive sell-offs all the way down to $54,000, and there's no other way. If you look at it from the perspective of technical indicators right now, there's really nothing that's supposed to be holding Bitcoin up except for this $58,000 support level. The majority of all indicators, including price action and also volume and also like Elliott wave even as well, it's indicating that there's another major possible wave going to the downside. And people always ask me, Philcon, do you think that the bull market is over? No, I do not think it's over. Do I still believe it's going to make major all-time highs? Yes, I do. That's why I'm still heavy in my long positions and also still dollar cost averaging further as well. Do I think that it's a good time to sell anything in the portfolio and to perhaps buy back at a lower price? That's very risky because you just never know how the market is going to behave. In my opinion and in my strategy, this is not financial advice for you, but my strategy would be to employ more capital so I can infuse it into the market. This way, when another dip does occur, because I keep my long-term bias, I'm bullish long-term. I'm going to be adding more to my portfolio, dollar cost averaging further to get the best possible prices, because with my long-term bias, I expect some major numbers to carry forward later in Q4 and also in 2025. I also have a little bit of cash on hand left to buy newly emerging coins that usually come out later, like in right before the bull market ends up occurring. So let's take a look at the market today, and we're gonna give you the best possible update in 10 minutes. Before we begin today, guys, my Philacone's course version 3.0 is already out, Mastering the Day Trading Markets. It's actually 19 hours long and 51 video lessons. It's my best work yet. It combines 9 years of trading experience that also focuses on the trading psychology and mental game that many people struggle with. And right now, there's a sale. If you don't have this course already and you're not in my Discord group, this is a phenomenal sale. I decided to have a 60% off sale. I want to see people join my Discord group where you get lots of support, information. There's a huge resource and a library of useful information for you to learn. You're also going to get access to my lifetime private Discord group as well. And you also get access to my advanced volatility scanner. Normally this is $1,100, but it's on sale 60% off for $450. And this is I'm just going to have this sale going on till I leave to Poland, which will be on Thursday. So guys, get in the group. I also offer a 100% refund guarantee if you're not happy with it within 7 days. That's how confident I am that I'm going to be able to help you achieve your long-term goals. So let's jump right into this and see how Bitcoin is trending. So right now, Bitcoin is it's at the exact same spot where we have been expecting it to be for a while now. So you see that on the big picture, Bitcoin has been trying to hammer this $58,000 support level. You can just see that Bitcoin has been trying to hammer this support down over here for multiple times now. Basically this support level right there. And we actually just bear trapped below it many times. You can see it's been a very significant support level because of further back over here and this region, acts as a kind of a resistance at the top there, and especially this region as well, and multiple times there. So yes, there is a chance that we could bounce from these levels, but in my opinion, it's getting very difficult to bounce as the time goes by right now. And there was previously a channel, and I'm just going to see if this channel actually ends up holding in any way at all anymore. But it just doesn't seem like there's any significant type of patterns that have been holding in any way, except for that one type of support that's going horizontal. So unfortunately right now I'm incredibly bearish. There's just no other way to see it. I mean, like, there was kind of a channel here, but that's kind of pushing it as well, in my opinion, the way that I'm drawing it. It's like kind of on last legs, the way that I was drawing it earlier. I mean, there could be a possibility of a bounce, but at the same time, it could be a dual support. So if this ends up bouncing, there is going to be a very reasonable chance, like if we get back up above, like break up above $60,000 range, there could be a possible rally to the $68,000 range. But if we break it, guys, it's going to be absolutely chaos in every way. So right now it's a very important time to be patient. And the people that end up being the most profitable are going to be the ones that hold throughout these types of volatile periods short term. So if we end up dropping, you're going to probably see some low numbers. I mean, who knows how low it's going to go, but at least $54,000 in my opinion. And we take a look at some other indicators like the MACD. On the daily, it's just moving to the downside over here hard for the MACD. RSI is in the neutral range, but it's heading below the 45 range. You take a look at the 2-day chart here as well. At the 2-day chart, MACD is now moving to the downside heavily. RSI is also below 50. So, but we did get 3 lower lows consistently on the 2-day. Then we move to the 4-day chart. The 4-day chart still has massive momentum to the downside. It tried to cross over once over here, tried to cross over once there, tried to cross over again. Multiple times it's been trying to break to the upside, but the bears just keep fighting and they keep pushing it down lower and lower. And now RSI as well on the 4-day chart, it's now below 50 again. On the weekly chart, it just doesn't look good either. We see that the RSI is below 50 on the weekly. This MACD is still on a tear to the downside since basically March the 14th, where it reached the peak over here on the high of around 74K. And then now this candle is a very nasty candle. It's not a good looking candle anyway. That's 2 weeks in a row where we basically had massive gains from 58K up to 65K. And then the week later, which is this week, we ended up correcting to the downside and we wiped out all of those gains entirely. So now the market is in limbo. And from the perspective of a day trader, it's not good. As much as I'd love to sugarcoat things and show you guys that we're very bullish right now, sometimes we are, and the data shows that we are. But unfortunately, gains can easily be wiped out in a heartbeat. Last month, it was not a good month. It didn't look great at all. Like, sure, we got a big wick that pushed from down to up, but unfortunately, it can also imply that the bears were pressuring very hard to drive down the price even further. So the best case scenario I can give you guys is just gotta wait it out, gotta rough it out, gotta see what's gonna happen later in October. I don't think September is gonna do anything. It's gonna be one of those months where you're just gonna be twiddling your thumbs and hoping for the best case scenarios. For the perspective of day traders and swing traders, there's really not that many opportunities that are coming up. Last month, we had some phenomenal coins that rallied like Rare, DAR, TLM, Auction, TRB, VID, Floki, ARPA. All of these guys were on my watch list last month. But now it's going to be very slim pickings. So it's very important to remember to let the trades come to you rather than try to force yourself to trade in a very choppy or sideways market that's not in your favor. You're going to end up getting and accumulating a lot more losses than wins if you're going to force these trades and try to go for like the jack of all trades. So it's better to just be very patient. And patience is one of the most difficult things to have discipline with. And we all want to profit. We all want to get those gains. But if you exercise patience and wait for the right setups that have a lot of confluent reasons to enter the trades, you're going to prevent less mistakes. You're going to prevent more losses. And overall, you're going to take a higher quality trades as well. So for now, guys, all I can say is just hang tight and better days will come. Other than that, make sure you're using this time wisely to study, because the people that study, they're ultimately going to do a lot better than the people that don't study. So instead of just sitting around and doing nothing and waiting for better days to come, I highly recommend that you guys study. And that's exactly why I ended up creating my new course, Philakone's course, version 3.0, and especially at a huge discount right now. And you also get a great Discord group. It's a wonderful course. I offer a full refund guarantee if you're not happy with it. Just check out the link below, guys. Sign up. I'll see you in the Discord group, and I'll see you in the course. I hope to see every single person studying to increase your skills, to upgrade it to another level. This way, when the bull market does come, you're going to be prepared for it, especially with my strategies that have a very high success rate. Even though they're easy to learn, they're difficult to master. But once you get the hang of them and you see these setups that I take often, and that's why I'm always a consistent trader, because of these strategies that never change, only optimized and fine-tuned. So I'll see you guys in the course, and I'll see you in the Discord group. If you enjoy this content, just show me a little bit of love. Hit the thumbs up button, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Be safe. Exercise patience. Bye now.